The issue of cancellation of food park project in Amethi has become the latest flashpoint between the opposition and the treasury benches in the parliament. Lok Sabha saw uproarious scenes over the issue on Tuesday. It all began when Union Food Processing Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal sought to put forth the facts on behalf of the government on the cancelled project. As she started reading out the facts, opposition created uproar and there were constant disruptions and adjournments on the issue.
Ma'am, the same day when Rahul ji raised this matter, the minister responded. Then Kirit Somaiya ji was allowed to raise this matter. Minister responded. Then ma'am, this is again Rajnath Singh ji had given a promise. This is the 5th time the government is responding.
फूड पार्क के संदर्भ में एज ए मिनिस्टर उन्होंने पूरा स्टेटमेंट बना करके मुझे दिया और कहा कि मेरी पूरी बात उस फूड पार्क के संदर्भ में उस दिन नहीं हो पाई है और इसलिए मैं इस पर स्टेटमेंट देना चाहती हूं. Actually, it is the second time, not 5 times, please.
Home Minister Rajnath Singh intervened to clarify that a minister is well within her rights to make a statement.
जिस दिन मैंने वादा किया था उसी दिन मैंने वह जानकारी श्री राहुल गांधी जी को उपलब्ध करा दी. इनके घर पर उसको मैंने भिजवा दिया था. वादा वहीं पर पूरा हुआ. यह बात हमारी समझ में नहीं आती. हमारी बात यह समझ में नहीं आती. यदि किसी सदस्य के द्वारा यदि कोई प्रश्न सदन में यदि उठाया जाता है, यदि मंत्री उस पर एक बार के बजाय 2 बार यदि भी उसकी यदि जानकारी दे देता है तो इस पर उसे आपत्ति क्यों होनी चाहिए? यह बात हमारी समझ के परे है. यह नहीं समझ में आता.
The government clarified the project was cancelled after the promoter company failed to comply with the requisite conditions for the approval. Food Processing Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal said the food park's promoter company had expressed its inability to pursue the project in the absence of natural gas, whose allocation was denied by the previous government in December 2012. She added that in view of inordinate delay by the promoter company in the meeting, the preconditions for final approval, in principle approval, accorded to the project by the ministry was cancelled.
जो मर्जी चीज पे जो मर्जी बोलना चाहते हैं और बोलते बोलते इतना बड़ा झूठ बोल गए कि आज उस झूठ का पर्दा जब फाश हुआ, जब सच का सामना करने का समय आया तो ना राहुल गांधी जी से ना ही उनकी पार्टी से बर्दाश्त हुआ.
फूड पार्क है वो क्यों नहीं बन पाया, इसके पीछे वजह क्या है?
ये फूड पार्क सिर्फ और सिर्फ राहुल गांधी जी की इनकॉम्पिटेंसी और इनएफिशिएंसी करके नहीं लग पाए. नहीं तो सरकार इनकी थी. 2010 में इनको अप्रूवल मिली थी. राज्य में उनकी फ्रेंडली सरकार थी. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग उनके साथ थी. बिजली के कनेक्शन के लिए गैस की जो मांग कर रहे थे, पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री इनकी सरकार के मंत्री थे. सब कुछ इनका होता हुआ 4 साल तक वो नहीं कर पाए जिस काम को 2 साल में ऑपरेशनल हो जाना चाहिए.
Meanwhile, there was action at ground zero also. Having contested the elections in Lok Sabha from Amethi constituency, Human Resource and Development Minister Smriti Irani visited Amethi and met the farmers affected by unseasonal rainfall. The minister interacted with people and questioned the tardy pace of development in Amethi.
Rahul Gandhi is a first-time Sansad of Amethi. They were very much in power for 10 years at the centre. He was very much in MP then. If he so desired, Amethi could have had the benefits and the fruits of development long ago and not, in fact, face such challenging times now.
Last week in Lok Sabha, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi had hit out at the centre over the issue of cancelling the Amethi food park project. The centre came forward with the facts in the case and has informed that the previous UPA government and the promoter company are responsible for its cancellation. The food park may have been cancelled, but it is giving enough staple for claims and counterclaims in and outside the parliament to various political parties. Newsnight Desk, DD News.